So this morning, guys, my car just started shaking violently, and it seems like something's going on with the engine. My check engine light came on. So I just ran the code, and it seems like we're getting a P0301 code, which is a cylinder 1 misfire. So we're going to keep it simple. I'm going to start off with changing the spark plugs. So the first thing you guys want to do, as you can see the technician here, starting off with removing the battery, right? You don't want those terminals connected while dealing with the spark plugs. Next thing you want to do is take a 12 socket wrench and remove the ignition coil bolts. Keep in mind, lefty loosey, righty tighty when doing this, so you're not going the wrong way and you strip off the bolts. Now just disconnect the plug from the ignition coils. Around, fiddle with it until it comes off. Now remove the ignition coil out, and this is where the spark plug sits. We're going to use a 14mm socket with a extension on the wrench to slowly enter the socket into the hole to make sure that the spark plug does not break, and slowly unscrew the spark plug. Now we're going to use a telescopic magnet pickup tool to quickly pick up the spark plug, and as you can see, spark plug just came out. And let's look at the tip.
So as you guys can see, this spark plug is completely gone. Look at the tip there. You see it's completely burnt. So we're going to definitely need new ones. So this is a quick comparison. As you can see, this is the new one, and this is the old one, and that's the difference. So now we're going to be putting in the new spark plug. You kind of use your magnet, kind of slowly drop it into place. All right, and once you kind of get it into place, then we can go use the socket. All right, and now you just got to make sure that your socket's in the on position. We're going to go ahead and drop it in the hole and slowly start to tighten it. Now, usually you have to use a torque wrench, but if you don't have one, this isn't recommended, but just continue turning on until you feel that it's tight enough, and then maybe a half or less than a half spin after it's fully tightened. And also, when you're putting the ignition coils back, make sure they go back in the same order, and that's why, as you can see, we place it across from each lined up. But like, all right, so we just put the ignition coils back on, and now we are going to put the battery terminals back on here and tighten them.